Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the fundamental theorem of calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -1 to 3 of negative x cubed plus 3x squared plus 1 dx, and we have to evaluate this definite integral. Well, first let's go find kind of the indefinite integral using our fundamental theorem of calculus here. So, the integral of negative x to the third power would be a negative 1/4 x to the fourth power, right? Take a derivative of that part, and we will get negative x to the third power. Plus, integral now of 3x squared would be a, well, x to the third power, gives us 3x squared, and then plus 1 would just be an x. Normally we would add a plus c here, but we're integrating from -1 to 3, -1 to 3. Okay? So now what is that telling us we need to have? Well, our fundamental theorem of calculus says we need to plug in 3 and -1 into our equation and subtract them. So we have a -1/4 times 3 to the fourth power plus 3 to the third power plus a 3 minus, and it's this whole part here, minus the second part, -1 goes in for every x as well. -1/4 times a -1 to the fourth power plus a -1 to the third power plus a -1. Okay, what does this come out to be? Well, I did all that work for you. This part right here, -1/4 times 3 to the fourth plus 3 to the third plus 3 comes out to be a 9.75. Okay, minus this part here, -1/4 times -1 to the fourth plus -1 to the third plus -1 is a -2.25. Well, subtracting a negative we should know is adding a positive, and that comes out to be a 12. And so, taking the integral from -1 to 3 of our function is a positive 12. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.